Here's how to fix a forgotten Messenger PIN code. Now, if you're on Facebook Messenger and you needed to just reset that PIN because you forgot the old PIN number, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's exit out here and open up Messenger again. I'll walk you through the entire steps. On your iPhone or Android, you'll be able to see menu button at the bottom right or at the top left. So just tap on menu to get to your settings. Now, at the very top, you can see settings there. That's what we'll want, so tap on that. And now all you need to do is choose privacy and safety, that little house with the lock icon. And now from here, we're going to choose the end-to-end encrypted chats towards the bottom. You'll be able to see now, finally, at the very top is message storage. That's what we want, and this will have your PIN. Now, keep in mind, if you don't remember, you can always hit reset PIN, and now I can just reset it to whatever I want. Keep in mind, set it to something that you'll remember and not easily forgotten. In my case, I just use a bunch of different ones. Now, after you've done that, it'll be reset, and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.